the Prince of all Saiyans, a cocktail tribute to Vegeta from Dragon Ball Z. Royal, proud, and burning blue with Saiyan elite energy, where Goku's Kamehameha is golden and open. This one is deep blue and closed off, a sharper bite, a colder finish, and a half-salted rim because Vegeta is too proud to commit fully to tradition. 7 elements for this Prince's Cup: Reposado tequila, blue curacao, mezcal, fresh lime juice, agave syrup, Angostura bitters, a large lime peel twist, and flaky sea salt for half the rim. Start with 1.5 ounces of Reposado tequila. Where Goku's Kamehameha calls for raw blanco, Vegeta demands matured. Reposado is tequila rested in oak for 2 to 12 months. Battle-worn, complex, refined. Reach for Espolon or Don Julio, both in their Reposado bottlings. 1/2 ounce of blue curacao. This is the Super Saiyan Blue, and Royal Blue, the color of Saiyan royalty. Bull's Blue gives you the deep cobalt that carries the whole visual. 1/4 ounce of mezcal. This is the smoky edge, the constant simmering rage Vegeta carries behind every word. Del Maguey Vida is the classic introductory mezcal. If you can't find mezcal, an extra 1/4 ounce of Reposado plus a drop of liquid smoke gets you close. Rub a lime wedge around half the rim of a chilled coupe, and dip that half in flaky sea salt. Only half. Vegeta is too proud to commit to tradition all the way. Add the Reposado, blue curacao, mezcal, 3/4 ounce of fresh lime juice, 1/2 ounce of agave syrup, and 2 dashes of Angostura to a shaker with ice. Shake hard for 15 seconds until frosted. Double strain into your half-salted coupe. Twist a large lime peel over the drink to express the oils, then drop it in. The Prince of all Saiyans is drier, sharper, and more complex than Goku's Kamehameha. The mezcal smoke sneaks up at the end, like Vegeta's bite. Saiyan royalty in a glass. And yes, it's over 9,000. Come back and sit down for another drink soon.